Hello friend, welcome to my channel Joy Food and Traveler. Today's video is about our visit to beautiful Klamm in Germany. Klamm is nothing but Georgia in English. So Georgia is water flowing between the two mountains or water is flowing between the solid rocks. It's called Georgia. And yeah, there are so many places in Germany that you can visit. And this is one of the best Klamm in Germany as well. This is called Almbachklamm, which is located in the Berchtesgaden, also near to the Eagle Nest. From Eagle Nest is around 15 to 30 kilometer. If you haven't seen my video for Eagle Nest, just have a look there, and I will put all the information where this Klamm is located and how to reach there, where to park your car, everything in description box. So from there you can get the all information. So this climb is approximately 8 kilometer long, and yeah, the route is really nice, very well maintained. Entry fee is approximately €5, and it has the opening time and closing time. So if you are coming to this place, then check it out the timing. And yeah, this is approximately 8 kilometer long, so I think you can plan your visit according to that. And all the way you have the small waterfall on the all of the way, and you can see always water streaming, and nice location of the mountains on the both sides, so it's give the really nice feeling. So yeah, actually we reach a little bit late, around 5 o'clock, so we had approximately 3 hours to explore. But the main attraction of this climb is Sulzer Falls. So this waterfall is somehow in its main attraction. So we are somehow managed to reach there within our time period. And yeah, to reach to this fall, it's not that difficult. As I said, the route were maintained really very well, and the waterfalls also looks really beautiful. So yeah, parking is free here, so no issue with parking. And yeah, there are many other places that you can explore nearby. So as I said, we visited Eagle Nest. From Eagle Nest we went for uh, toboggan activity. From toboggan we visit this clam. So is it really possible to visit all these three places in one day? So these places are located in Berchtesgaden and Bayern, Germany. And yeah, it is really perfect for 1 or 2 day trip with friends and family.
So that is all. Now we are going back. It was really long Klamm. There are still so many ways to go, and we were not expecting it would be so long. Actually, you need complete whole day to explore this Klamm. But overall, it was really enjoyable. Actually, timing is somehow near to close, so we have to go back and we have to reach there before 8 o'clock. It's now 7 o'clock, so you can see it's still really good sunshine. So this is the fun in summer. If you are coming to Germany or in European country, the day is really long in summer. So I hope you like my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel to explore new good places with me. Thank you very much guys. Have fun.